And if you want to fix your phone is not connected with your PC but charging only, then this video is for you. If you connect your phone with your PC via a USB cable, so it's not connecting with your PC, you can actually transfer the file from your phone to your PC, but it's only charging, then you can follow the steps to fix this problem. Here you can see my phone is connected with my PC but it's charging. So I have just connected it with my USB cable. So you just need to go to the settings first, and then you just need to scroll down and make sure that you have enabled the developer option. If you don't have the developer option on your device, then you can just go back and go to the about phone section and go to the software information. Now here you will find the build number. Tap on that build number until you find that your developer option mode is turned on. You will prompted that message on the background of your device. So from here you can then search for USB. When your developer option is turned on, then you can find this default USB configuration. Now you can simply click on it, and then you can just redirect it to that specific option. Now click on it, and from here you will find that file transfer, USB tethering, MID or PTP. And if it's on no data transfer, then it means that your phone can't connect with your PC through the USB cable. So make sure that you select it to file transfer, then it can actually allow your device to connect with your PC. So whenever you connect with your PC through the USB cable and the file transferring or the USB tethering is on, that means your phone is now connected with your PC. You will get the notification on your PC whenever your phone is connected through the USB cable. So that's all. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.